my name is Reto König. I'm the R&D manager at LRP for all our electronic products, and I would like to introduce the new products for 2010 that we show here at the Nuremberg Fair to you. I start with our Quadra Pro 2 charger, which is the successor for the known Quadra Pro charger. The most obvious update is the integrated balancer for LiPo and lithium ferrite cells, which allows you to use 2S to 5S batteries. All the other features remained very similar, which means AC power input for main power for 100 to 240 volt AC, additional DC input for use at your car battery or another external power supply, so you can universally use the charger for any application. All the wires are obviously included with the charger, so for AC, DC and output, all the wires are included. The charger features our known intuitive user interface with a 2-line LCD display, the 4 buttons, simple to use without reading a massive booklet. You can charge, discharge and cycle nickel metal hydride, lithium polymer, lithium ferrite and nickel cadmium cells, so it's a very wide use for any cell, any application, any racing class. So the charger is really universal, good price performance ratio and our known 25-year warranty. The next product I will show you is our new X12 Modified Octawind. Octa is from Greek language and means 8. So what is this 8 about? It's the meaning is it's 8 parallel wires for the winding instead of the known 4 wires which we previously used. So the advantage of these 8 wires is that it's a higher fill grade, which means there is more copper inside the motor, so the copper area is bigger, which results in slightly more higher mid-range power, which the drivers usually like, depending on track and personal driving style. The Octawinds are an addition to our existing line, so these do not replace our existing X12 modified motors. It's an addition, so it's available in certain winds, but all the other features, such as the adjustable timing or the PESI sensor system, the housing, the rotor, are identical as before, and the only difference is the winding style. As I said, the Octawind is available in several winds, 3.5 and 4 turn for a touring car with 5-cell racing, 4.5, 5.0 and 5.5 turn for 112 and touring car with LiPo cells, and 2 winds for off-road, 6.5 and 8.5 turn. My next product for presentation is the X12 Stocks Pack motors. It looks similar as the X12 Modified, but obviously the housing color is a lot different, but every little aspect has been optimized for brushless Stocks Pack racing, so you gain the best performance for every class. The X12 Stocks Pack is available in 4 different winds, in 10.5, 13.5, 17.5 and 21.5. So you have a motor for each racing class. We have optimized all the areas and also made our easy tech features, such as the black anodized shaft. So technical inspection can easily check if the correct rotor is inside the motor. Additionally, what you cannot see now, the magnet is coated with black color, and inside the epoxy, the windings are epoxy coated. So there's a sealing, so it's tamper-proof. which means nobody can cheat with anything with our motor. The motor has a very high power output, which is important for stock classes when everybody has to use the same winds. And all the known features from X12 Modified are obviously there, such as adjustable timing with the included timing inserts, the Prezi sensor system, fully adjustable and replaceable front housing, large ball bearings for highest reliability, and so on and so on.